When it comes to solar, there's one thing we all want more of, and that's power.
And the inverter technology you choose has a big impact on the amount of power you'll generate.
The early systems used string inverters with the central unit on the wall, but no technology on the panels. Like old-time Christmas lights, when the panel is shaded, the entire system loses power.
Then came microinverters. They put small inverters on the roof that helped in shading, but when sun shines bright, they're unable to keep up with the new high-efficiency panels. Energy is clipped and power is lost.
Today, there are optimized inverters, the best of both worlds. On every panel, there's an optimizer working independently so overproducing panels make up for the panels in the shade. But the AC conversion occurs off the roof, using a smart, high-efficiency inverter that's engineered to handle the high-powered systems and high-performance panels.
The system efficiency equates to 10 additional days of free power every year.
It's the #1 selling inverter solution in the world, installed in nearly 3 million homes.
So, if you want more power from your system, ask your installer for an optimized inverter, the perfect solution for today's high-powered systems.